What's going on, everybody? It's your boy Fearless here, and today we're going to be making a beat for 21 Savage. We're going to be making a beat similar to something you'd find on his new album, Savage Mode 2. So if you're ready, let's get right into this. Alright, so what I've noticed from listening to a lot of the beats on that new album is that a lot of the melodies are very simplistic, but very hard at the same time. So we're going to focus on just using a couple different layers, but making sure they all sound really good. Alright, so you basically just did 3 octaves of the same exact notes here, and I'm gonna just take these higher notes and I'm gonna turn them down a little bit because we want that dirty bass line to just stick above everything else. So we're just gonna have a little bit of tones from the higher notes. Alright, now we're gonna go and we're gonna try to find some kind of bell or crazy sound like that.
That's a 10.
So if you have the newer version of Ableton, you have this new velocity MIDI effect. I'm pretty sure it's new, at least. I haven't seen it before, but you can just pretty much leave your MIDI all the same velocities here, and you can use this to kind of randomize it a little bit. So I found that really useful because I don't like to spend the time tweaking every little thing, so. Now let's go ahead and throw some EQing on this, maybe put some effects on it to make it sound a little more gritty, and then we can move on to the drums. So I put an instance of cassette on both of these. I'm basically just using one of the basic patches. Alright, I'm just going to add one more cassette to the group here just to kind of merge them together, just kind of meld them together just a little bit more. Alright guys, let's move on to the drums now. Alright guys, that wraps up the Savage Mode beat tutorial. Hope you guys liked that one. If you got any other recommendations of beats you'd like to see me make, leave them in the comments below and I'll try to get to them. But anyways, thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Subscribe to the channel if you're new here because we're uploading tutorials like this every single day, bro. But besides that, it's gang gang for life. Peace out.